Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to delete your Apple ID account. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, open your browser, then go to google.com. And the search bar of Google, write privacy apple.com like this, privacy apple.com. Then tap search, then open the first website, and now you need to continue with your Apple ID. So tap continue, perfect. Then scroll down and go to delete your account. Then tap request to delete your account. Then scroll down and here select a reason of deletion. Here you can select any reason. For example, I'll select I want to stop using my account. Then tap continue. And as you can see, if you remove your Apple ID, all your data on your iCloud and your media or purchase will be deleted. Then scroll down and tap continue. Then check this. I have read and agree with these conditions. Then tap continue. After that, you need to select the contacts that you will be get account started. If you want to get your account started on your email, select email or your phone number, or if you have a different email address, you can select this one and write your email address. Or if you have a different phone number, you select a different phone number and you can write it. Well, I'll choose my email address and tap continue. So after that, Apple will provide you with an access code. So this is very important to save it for future reference. Then after tap continue, you need to confirm your request to delete your account. Well, what's gonna happen after that? Apple will process your request, which can take up to 7 days. During this time, you cannot use your Apple ID for purchases or services. So this is how you can delete your Apple ID. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.